How to fix crashing in League of Legends. So what you gotta do is right click on the League of Legends icon and then go to open file location. Now you should be here, and from here you gotta go back to Riot Games and then just go to League of Legends. Then go to the game and right click this application right here and go to properties, compatibility. And now you might wanna untick or tick this if it's not ticked, and make sure you check disable full screen optimizations, and just in case run this program as an administrator. Then go to change high DPI settings and make sure that this is checked. Now as you can see, it's already checked for me because I already did this, so it might not be checked for you. Then go to OK and apply. Now if this is still a problem, you should open up League of Legends. Now go to the settings, go to game, and make sure that preferred DX9 legacy mode is checked. Now if this is still a problem for you, you can try uninstalling and installing the game again. And there you go. That's how to fix crashes in League of Legends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.